G'day, my name's Abby and I am a DIY expert. Today I'm going to help you choose the shutter frame that's right for you. There are a few different ones to choose from, so let me take you through some of the great options that DIYblinds has to offer. The L frame is our most popular frame. This simple frame comes in two sizes, small and medium, and it'll fit perfectly inside or outside your window frame. For a recess fit, we recommend using a small L frame. Because the face of this slim squared frame is only 25mm wide, it provides a very clean look. Now, a lot of windows don't have a perfect 90-degree angle, so if you do choose the L frame recess fit shutter, you'll need to cork it first to create the perfect finish. The medium L frame is most commonly used where there is limited space between the front edge of your window frame and pane of glass. If you have less than 65mm of space in your recess, we recommend a face fit. The medium L frame is perfect for a face fit because it gives full clearance to allow your louvers to rotate freely. Only available as a recess fit option, the Z frame allows for the perfect recess shutter if your window butts up next to a brick wall or has a tiled reveal. Also great for the out of square window frame, the Z frame has edges that can cover gaps of up to 15mm in each direction that the shutter is sitting in. If the window for your recess fit shutter doesn't have perfect 90-degree angles, but has an extended windowsill, or if the shutter frame goes all the way to the floor, the Z frame with sill is your perfect option. You'll gain the benefit of hiding any uneven spaces with the Z frame's wings. And you'll also have a flat bottom edge of your shutter frame sitting on your existing sill or floor. Lastly, in order for you to select the best frame for your space, you'll need to know how much space your shutter frame requires. Now, you should have all the information you need to choose the shutter frame that's right for you, but if not, please give DIYblinds a call.